today. Michelle, what's the latest?
Well, Patrick, it's mostly a concern of freezing rain now in our northern and western suburbs, where you're seeing that rain falling in temperatures as they hit the pavement that are still below freezing. So while it looks fairly harmless, it falls from the sky, we want to be careful. There's that icy glaze on a lot of untreated surfaces here this morning, especially in these areas that you see that are in pink. The green here representing rainfall, and it's mostly here in temperatures that are back above freezing. So that's good news. Conditions improving along those areas, 195, as well as the southern part of 295. But if you're traveling today, Providence Northwest up into Worcester, Boston, New Hampshire, you're going to want to prepare for slow and slippery travel conditions. So that mix changing over to rain, we've been seeing that occurring this morning. Right on the heels, there's another chance for snow tomorrow. Another weak system will race by. More light snow in the forecast. In fact, it looks more like snow than anything else for tomorrow with the next system. And then much colder air. Temperatures, the warmest that we'll see today for our highs, where we crack 40 degrees. Otherwise, it's going to be unseasonably chilly rest of the week. So temperatures right now cold enough that we're still seeing icy conditions for Gloucester. Coventry is now back to the freezing mark. Another half hour, 45 minutes for that area to see conditions improving. 30 in Smithfield, still icy. Taunton, Fall River, New Bedford, Newport, all well above freezing now into the mid-30s. We're in the upper 30s westerly in Ninigret. So winter weather advisory until 10, southern part of our area, the northern western parts of Rhode Island, northern Bristol County up into Worcester. You're under that winter weather advisory until 1 o'clock this afternoon. And it's by that time that the temperature should warm enough that we're going to see just plain light rain and drizzle. You can still see the areas of pink over Connecticut, icy mix there. Rain again, mostly southern and eastern areas, and the light snow falling up across central and northern New England. So our future cast shows that transition over to plain rain showers 10 o'clock this morning. As we get into the afternoon, it sort of winds down. I still think it'll be sort of a damp and misty day, but probably just plain rain showers or drizzle. By 5 o'clock in the evening, we're drying out. Overnight tonight's mostly cloudy. Tomorrow morning's commute looks okay. We're going to see clouds still continuing to hang around, a dry start to the day, but then by late morning and early afternoon, the potential is there for another batch of snow. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. It should be winding down by late afternoon. The evening commute should be mostly dry, but there may be some small accumulations on the ground by that point. 7 o'clock in the evening tomorrow, skies finally starting to clear out. We'll get back to sunshine midweek. But the again, little mix of freezing rain to rain this morning. That transition continuing to occur further north and west, but it's taking longer. 42 with showers and drizzle coming to an end. 2-3 o'clock this afternoon, then overnight tonight down to around the freezing mark, mostly cloudy. Looks dry and cool. Here's that 7-day future cast. After today, temperatures just unseasonably cool, mid-30s for tomorrow, and the timing of it's most likely between, say, 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. We get the potential for a coating to perhaps as much as 2 inches of snow in spots. Highest risk right now is south of Providence. Wednesday, Thursday, temperatures only getting up to the upper 20s to lower 30s. We'll see those overnight lows in the teens. Very busy weather pattern, one that could bring another chance for some wintry weather over the weekend. We'll be watching yet another offshore storm, one that could give us rain or snow, maybe a combination of both depending on the track of that system. And right now the timing of it is late Saturday into early Sunday. So we'll be keeping you updated on that. WPRI.com is going to be a great source to go to throughout the day today as well as the week ahead to keep the latest on the future cast. Let's go back to JamCam traffic reporter Gina Brown. Gina, any trouble spots locally here this morning?
Well, actually, we've done well here, especially over here on 195. It's been quiet out of Seekonk, although heavy, past the state line, continuing down toward Gano Street. Things are just wet. People are keeping their speeds down, Michelle. Now, let's head on over to the map. So we have a brand new trouble spot here, though, 95 northbound by Jefferson Boulevard. This accident's reported off to the right. It looks like we do have some busy traffic in that area. Let's go back out to our jam cam now for a live look. You can see it's very heavy and slow here, so you want to stay to the left, stay out of that right-hand shoulder.